to all of you. So, before we discuss this English subject, we should know that why we should learn English. Because you see, actually, we must understand that why English is needed. Suppose you see, why we should learn English subject. So can you say, can you give any example that why you are going to study that English subject? Yes, I shall start now. Just you see. Number one, that is the first point is that English as a national link or communicative language. If you go to inside India, any state, particularly suppose if you go to Southern India, then if you go to Tamil Nadu, then you have to speak two languages. That is either English or their regional language, that is Tamil language. And if you go to Kerala, then you have to get two subjects, that is English and their mother tongue Malayalam. But you see, inside our state, that is in Assam, if you go to Jorhat, if you go to Assam Agricultural University, then you will get so many non-local students are there. They are from, maybe they are from Tamil, they are from, that is Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Tripura, like this, Mizoram. They can speak only their mother tongue and English. So, if you go to regional research laboratory, which is known as NIST, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, if you go there, then you will get so many scientists and so many workers there. Then if you want to talk with them, you can speak either English or Hindi. But many scientists and many employees, they speak in English. And number two is that English as an international link language. Number two, English as an international link or communicative language. Suppose if you go to outside of India, anywhere if you go, then you have to speak only one language. That language is English. So we should know how to speak English, and we have some knowledge regarding this subject. This is number two. And the third one is that, you see, English is the richest language in the world. In the world, there is only one language. That language is English, which is the richest language in the world. So if we do not know this English subject, then how we can develop our brain? So this one is the important one. That is number third. And the fourth one is that, you see, that English is the window language. Why we put the doors and windows in our home? Why? Yes. Through the windows and the doors, we can get light inside the room. So, English is such a language from which language we get some knowledge and information. And then we can use as window language. So, English as a window language. We should know English. Okay. Then the next one, you see, nowadays English subject has been introduced as compulsory from the nursery section. When a child, he goes for the first time to the school in the nursery section, then he will get two subjects. He will get his mother tongue along with one English subject also. He will get A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, like this, like this. That means he will get some information regarding that English subject. Okay. Then the next one is, you see, all the students have to study English subject in any stream. Suppose a student, when he has got passed HSLC exam, if he goes to study in art stream, then he has to get English. And if he wants to join in science stream, then he has to study English. And if he wants to join in commerce stream, then he has to get English. That means in any stream, whether he is going to study medical or agricultural or history, like this, in all streams, he has to get English. But you see, if a student, if he dislikes mathematics and science, he can avoid it just after HSLC exam. But never a student can avoid English subject. Okay? Therefore, we have to study very sincerely from our starting time. So, these are the main results. So, we have to study English. Okay? If we do not know why we should learn English, then actually the students are unable to understand that actually we have to study English. Okay? But in our next class, we shall discuss regarding another topic. That topic is also very important. So I want to give you the information, advanced information to you. So why we are very poor in English.